Minister in charge PHE Marquez and Marak has denied reports of irregularities in the Jal Jeevan Mission or JJM projects in Garo Hills, stating that the department is trying to attend to all complaints relating to JJM in Garo Hills. The minister said he will be touring the entire state and to gather first-hand information on the project implementation.
I saw some complaints from the Chibanang area. I've already directed the department to send the officials. Officials has gone, talked to the people, and people are very happy. It came back in the newspaper also. So we are trying to rectify whatever complaints are going. See, JJM is an ongoing project. There will be definitely some issues and concerns. We will try to rectify that. I'm not heard of that collapse. If you can kindly specify which particular project, I'll get the matter examined.
Minister in charge